Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Equip an iron or diamond pickaxe, plenty of torches, food, and spare blocks. Once done, locate a dependable spot and dig down safely using a staircase or 2x1 shaft to reach y equals 1215 because diamonds spawn there most often. Make sure to place torches on one side to mark your route and keep a chest nearby if you plan extended mining. Move efficiently. You want to arrive at the target depth, with inventory and light management already sorted. Once at depth, establish a main tunnel and begin branch mining with 2-block spacing. This maximizes exposed blocks while minimizing effort. You should operate at y equals 11 or y equals 12 to reduce lava ceiling interference, and dig 1x2 side tunnels every 2 blocks from the main corridor to expose the most ore. Make sure to pause and listen for lava, then place water to convert it to obsidian if needed. If you have fortune on your pickaxe, use it to increase diamond yield. Otherwise, you finish by carefully extracting diamonds. Always pour water into nearby lava pockets before breaking diamond or so drops don't burn. Make sure you're using at least an iron pickaxe, otherwise the ore breaks without dropping. Once you collect diamonds, secure them in a chest or carry them in your inventory while retracing your torch-marked route back to the surface. If something goes wrong, lava, mobs, or a lost shaft, calm down, block the entrance, light the area, and use your markers to safely recover your path.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.